In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Speechify to read book. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a digital book or document into Speechify and start listening, plus a quick option for scanning physical pages on your phone. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Speechify and press Enter. On the results page, click the official Speechify website to open it. This takes you to the place where you'll upload your book. On the Speechify page or in the app, look for the option labeled File or Upload and select it. Then choose Browse Files. This opens your computer's file picker so you can locate your book. Navigate to the folder where your book is saved. Speechify supports common formats like PDF, docx, TXT, and ebook, so most ebooks and documents will work right away. Select the file you want to listen to and click Open. If the file is large, give it a moment. Big PDFs or image-heavy documents may take a bit longer to load. Now, wait while Speechify processes and converts the file. Behind the scenes, it's extracting text and preparing the audio playback. If your PDF is scanned, Speechify may use optical character recognition to turn images of text into selectable, readable text. Just keep the tab open until it's done. If you're using the mobile app and want to read from a physical book, there's another option. Tap Scan or Camera in the app and take clear, well-lit photos of your book pages. Try to keep pages flat, avoid glare, and capture the entire page edge to edge. Speechify will convert those photos to text using OCR. When you're finished, save the scanned pages as a single file so everything stays in order, and then start listening. After your upload finishes, you'll see your text on the screen with a play button at the bottom. Tap or click play to begin listening right away. You can scroll the text as it reads, highlight important sections, and adjust settings while listening. If you want a different experience, try changing the voice or speed in the settings so it matches your preferred pace. Slowing down is great for studying, while faster speeds can be helpful for reviewing familiar content. That's it. Open Google, find Speechify, upload your file or scan pages in the app, let Speechify process it, and then press play. With these steps, you can turn almost any book or document into an engaging audio experience you can enjoy anywhere.